Art with Miss Co.
Hey guys, Miss Ko here. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this gemstone and crystal drawing. If you want to check it out, then keep on watching. Materials you need: paper, color paper, Sharpie, scissors, glue, and something to color with. I'll be using color pencil. Let's get started! First, we're going to start off by making a diamond shape. Once you have your diamond shape complete, you're going to make a mini diamond right inside. Try to match up the points to the bigger diamond we just made. Once you have that, we're going to make some straight lines connecting the corners. And that is how you get a gemstone. We're going to repeat this with a different shape. This time we're going to be making a hexagon. I'm going to start off like a triangle once again. Draw 2 straight lines down. And then close it off by making 2 diagonal lines. Just like before, we're going to make a mini shape inside. We're going to try our best to match up the corners. Once you have that, we're going to make some straight lines connecting the corners. Awesome job! Let's do another shape. This time I'm going to start off with a diagonal line, then a horizontal line, and then another diagonal line. I'm going to make a straight line connecting it and make a trapezoid. And now I'm going to make 2 diagonal lines like a triangle. And then we're going to draw a W. We're going to draw these zigzag lines. And I'm going to match them up with the corners at the top. And then I'm going to draw some straight lines going down from each corner. And we just made a diamond. This time we're going to make something a little bit trickier. We're going to make a heart-shaped diamond, and we're going to start off with 2 horizontal lines. Make a V and connect them. And then we're going to draw a diagonal line going out on each side. A straight line going down. And last, we're going to make a diagonal line going in on each side. Since this is a trickier shape, I'm going to start off by drawing my lines first. This is going to help me match each corner to the big shape that I just made. Once you have that, just go ahead and connect them. And if you guys want a little bit more practice, you may start off with pencil first. I'm just going to continue making some different shapes, and you guys could see that this time I'm making an octagon, and this time I'm going to go ahead and make the lines first this time, and I'm going to be going out. Once I have that, I'm going to connect my lines. So there's a lot of different ways you can make gemstones and crystals. You guys can make it by making the outside shape first and then the mini shape, or the mini shape first and then make the outside shape. It's totally up to you and what you think works better for you. Last shape I'm going to make this irregular shape. All I need to do is make a mini version and then connect once again. I'm just gonna make some random shapes around my paper. You guys could do whatever you would like and whatever shape you would like, and try your best to fill up the entire paper so that we have plenty of gems to work with. Let's color. So I decided to use color pencil to color my drawing in, and I'm just making some different spots with some darker areas on each side and lighter areas, and this is going to help add shading to our gems. I'm even adding 2 colors and mixing them together, and it makes this really cool gradient effect. Try to use lots of different colors, the more the better. Let's cut. We're going to cut these all out because we're going to paste these onto another piece of paper. It's going to help it look really crisp and pop out. Let's glue. Before I glue down my gems, I'm going to arrange them on my paper to see what looks best. I found these stars and heart little gems in my house, and I decided to add these on as well. Once you find an arrangement you like, you may start gluing them down. All finished. And here you have it, a super easy, fun gemstone crystal drawing. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know I definitely did. And if you guys did make a project yourself, please make sure to send it my way. I would love to see what you guys have. Thanks, and make sure to subscribe to see more fun videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!